What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. As normally we're doing guns and stuff like that. Today's video is about a house I just bought. I'm an investor on a flip home. So what I decided I wanted to do is give people an idea on how to do a flip home. So it's going to be like a 4, 5, 6-part series through the whole entire process of this getting done. But I wanted to kind of give people an idea how they can make money, how they can do flip homes, and they can do the same thing I'm doing on a daily. So let's get started. All right. So what I want to do right now is kind of take you guys around the outside of the house and let you guys look at what we're working with to start. Okay, we bought this home at a good price. What we did was we looked at comps in the area. We knew what we needed to do to get to where we needed to be. So let's look at it and go from there. Come on, Dan. This thing has a huge backyard, as y'all can see. It's got a ton of potential. The thing about Monroe, where we live, this area is growing, okay? And people are buying these houses left and right for downtown purposes. But the thing about it is a lot of these houses don't have a yard like this. This thing is massive. It's almost 2 acres worth of land in this property. We have a nice detached garage we'll be fixing up too. Another area back here for barbecuing or something like that, or more storage area. We also have a deck we're probably going to end up covering here, but plenty of potential. And let's go to the inside now. All right, let's go to the inside now. Let's check this bad boy out. Now, when you do these flip houses, you got to have vision. You got to be able to have some ideas in your head, because when you first walk in and you see these homes, you're like, oh man, what am I gonna do here? But that's the thing about, and the cool thing about flipping houses, it's fun, it's entertaining, and you get to be creative in the ideas that you do. So let's go inside here. So here's the main front door, some ideas that we're trying to get with this home. Sorry about the echo, I'm sure it's echoing now, but is we wanna make this into a 3-2. All right, so this was basically a living area. So we got to decide if we're going to tear out walls, if we're going to add a bathroom behind us right here and all this stuff. But let's continue to go through here. Kitchen area, of course you see the old pine cabinets here. Probably it's going to be a complete gut. We're going to probably tear everything out and put brand new back in. Thing about these flips, to me personally, kitchens are really important. You really need to invest in the kitchen part, because let's face it, women want a nice kitchen to cook in. Okay, so probably going to be a gut, and I look forward to some ideas and designs that my team comes up with. All right, come through here. When you're looking for these houses, some things you really want to pay attention to, especially the older houses, you got to make sure of asbestos situations and stuff like that, and be prepared for unknown costs. So before we buy these, I have a guy that helps me, and my general manager, my roofing company, he's actually running this for me. We come out here and we look and we make sure that what kind of problems we may have. The cool thing about some of these bills and what we do is we are cash buyers, so we're able to close real quick. So we get some better deals than if you have to wait on financing. Okay, so one thing about flipping houses, you're going to need credit or you're going to need cash. You know, and cash is king. That really helps you when these flips. But like I said, you can tell people, hey, I can close next week. I can close in 2 weeks. You know, people don't have to worry about, hey, a loan coming back and being defaulted. We have the cash ready to go, and it helps us tremendously. But when you buy these houses, you don't want to have any unknown costs that you're not prepared to spend, because every unknown cost is a deficit out of the bottom line that you're going to lose. Okay. we already got like a little picnic seat there in the yard, barbecue little deal. So as you can see, the yard is huge. You got more areas to keep, you know, lawnmowers, equipment, whatever you want to keep. I mean, you can actually make that into a little pavilion, something really cool out there. So let's go inside the garage and see what it looks like. We got a whole workshop in here, a little PLC right here, and I mean, man, you know, you got a place to keep your lawnmower right here, a car right here, workbench, workshop, storage area. So as I said, for the money we got, this place has a ton of potential for someone, and for us to do some really cool stuff with. So storage is always a plus for people. I really like this a lot. Hey guys, and as y'all can see, that's the start of our flip home. This is day one. We just purchased the home yesterday. The next step is getting our contractors in and getting started doing the demo work and getting prepared on our ideas, what we want to do to make this thing into a 3-2, okay? If you can please like our channel and subscribe and also hit the notification button. This is going to be probably, I don't know how many part series, but this is probably going to be, you know, 8 to 10 part series possibly on how to flip a home. I think it's something you guys want to watch and see, because at the end of the day, it's something good that we all can make some money, and also we can do some good for our communities by, you know, fixing these houses back up. Hope y'all have a great day, and thank y'all for watching.